had a problem with our washing machine. Our washing machine has broken down, and Ruth has come up with this slightly bonkers idea of actually making a homemade washing machine using 2 buckets and a plunger.
It didn't actually come out of it. I researched it on YouTube, and there's a YouTube video. So we're following the instructions on the YouTube video.
Yeah, so we thought we'd give it a go. So we've got 2 buckets here from Bunnings. We've got the lid and we've got a plunger, and we're going to stick some holes in one of the buckets, and come join us as we see if it's going to work or not. Okay.
Step 1.
Sorry, come a bit closer up here.
Step 1.
Step 1 is actually putting holes in one of these buckets here. So I've got my drill down there, and I'm going to be beavering away, putting holes in one of these buckets, and we'll see how we go. Oh, yeah, I've got no power.
Oh my.
No. hang on about this. There, so yeah, we didn't have the right size drill, but we've got it working. So can you get some washing, Ruth?
Okay, so now we've got some dirty clothes in the bucket without the holes in it. So now we're just going to add some cold water surf washing detergent in there. So sprinkle that around like you normally do in your washing machine.
We'll try. I think it's plenty. Yeah.
Too much, not as much as you put in your normal washing machine, obviously.
Right.
Okay, and now we add water, and it doesn't matter where you get the water from. We're using a tap off screen, so it'll just be a minute and fill that up. Okay, now we've got our bucket full with washing detergent and water.
And now we're going to put our special plunger in, which is agitator, and put the lid on top of the bucket firmly. Yeah. And agitate it for. Agitate it for 10 minutes.
Nathan's turn now. Faster, Paul, faster! Come on, put some effort into it. Let's see those muscles work.
Okay, so now 10 minutes later, it's all done. We've all got sore arms, and it's time to put the washing in the bucket with the holes in. So here we go. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah, look at all that dirty water coming out.
Oh! Ow! You probably didn't see that. I've got a wet foot.
It's like a fountain. Are you going to put the other? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, so here it is here, and it's just rinsing out.
Oh, you and, put that bucket in.
Yeah, and I've got a wet foot. Right. Oh.
See, that's what you get, that bucket, put that bucket in there, and then you sit on it.
Okay.
So you put the bucket without the holes in it to rinse it, and then you put the bucket without the plunger on it. Oh, cool. And then you sit on that bucket.
I don't think you need that bit. You just sit on it like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, how are you going to sit on it? You're going to get a wet bottom. It needs the lid.
No, right.
No, because the clean water's going to go. No,
that's the way it works. No. Okay.
And then you sit on it.
Okay. Right.
Sit on it.
Okay. Now, you just... I'm a bit worried about Ruth's delicacy here. Okay, I'm sitting on the washing now, trying to get all the water out. And is it coming out?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't get it out anymore now.
Okay, we've got to rinse it 3 times now.
So the next step, you have to put the bucket with the holes in it back inside the bucket without the holes in it. We're having a slight issue getting the lid of the bucket due to Paul's what do you
it's
sitting on top of it.
Okay, we'll get it off, so don't you worry about that.
Use your muscles, Paul. Come on, Paul, you can do it, yes!
Oh, it's a bit harder than I thought. Get the screwdriver out.
You can do it, Paul, yay!
Okay, so now I've got the lot off here and Ruth has banned me from sitting on top of this thing now. So she said it's her job now. Okay, so now we've actually got it hanging. We've had to do the spin cycle now. We've got it hanging from the string. We tried one bit and it broke, so there's about 5 strings holding. So we've got to spin this thing really fast for our spin dry. So let's go.
Faster, Paul, faster!
It's moving a bit.
We need that other bucket to press it down.
No.
How long do you have to do that for?
I don't know. Let's try it again. Oh dear. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. But we spun dry our laundry, so the next test is actually putting it on the line and we'll see how we go from there. Hi everyone, hi. Thanks for watching our video, and at the end of the video I've got a nice clean t-shirt. I'm so pleased. It did work quite well. The spinning wasn't quite so successful, but the thing is the clothes are clean, so yeah, we're happy. Thanks for watching our video.